Tonight, you'll discover why reading a book before bed can help you sleep better and feel more relaxed. It's a simple habit that makes a big difference. Welcome to Daily English Bites. Have you ever found yourself scrolling on your phone late at night, feeling tired but unable to truly switch off? Many people do this, but there's a better way to prepare for sleep. It's called a wind-down routine. A wind-down routine is a set of calm activities you do before sleeping. It signals to your brain that it's time to rest. Reading a physical book is a perfect activity for this routine. When you read a book, especially a paper one, you avoid the bright light from screens. This bright light can confuse your brain. It thinks it's still daytime. This makes it harder to produce melatonin, the hormone that helps you sleep. So, choosing a book over a tablet or phone is a smart move for better rest. Think about it. When you read a story, your mind focuses on the words. It takes you away from your daily worries. This mental escape is very good for relaxation. It helps you to quiet your busy thoughts. This is very important for a good night's sleep. Have you tried doing this yourself? Many people find it very helpful. Another great benefit of reading before bed is that it can improve your focus and concentration. During the day, we often jump from one task to another. Our attention is divided. But when you read a book, you give your full attention to one thing. This practice can train your brain to focus better. It's like exercise for your mind. A regular reading habit can help you concentrate more easily in other parts of your life too. It's not just about sleep. Let's talk about choosing the right book for your wind-down routine. It's important to pick something enjoyable but not too exciting. A thrilling mystery might keep you awake, wanting to know what happens next. Instead, try a calming story, a biography, or even a book about a hobby you enjoy. The goal is to relax your mind, not stimulate it. You want something that will gently carry you to sleep, not keep you on the edge of your seat. So, remember, choose a calming story. Some people enjoy reading poetry before bed. The rhythm and sound of the words can be very soothing. Others prefer nonfiction, like a book about history or nature. The key is to find what works best for you. What kind of stories do you find relaxing? Think about your personal preferences. Maybe you like short stories, so you can finish a chapter quickly, or perhaps you enjoy a longer novel that you can return to each night. It's also important to make your reading space comfortable. Turn down the bright lights. Maybe use a small reading lamp. Get cozy in your bed or on a comfortable chair. This creates a special atmosphere for your wind-down routine. A warm blanket, a soft pillow, these small things add to the feeling of peace. They help your body and mind prepare for sleep. This is all part of making it a comfortable experience. Many people wonder how long they should read. There's no strict rule. Even 10 or 15 minutes of reading can be beneficial. The most important thing is consistency. Try to read at the same time every night. This helps to establish your wind-down routine. Your body will start to recognize these signals. It will know it's time to slow down. This consistent habit is more important than reading for a long time. So remember, we talked about a wind-down routine. This is a set of calm activities before sleep. Reading a book is a great part of it. It helps you avoid bright screens. It gives your mind a mental escape from worries, and it can improve your focus. We also discussed choosing a calming story and making your reading space comfortable. Let's think about some common problems people have. Maybe you say, I don't have time to read. But even a few minutes can help. You can start small. Try just 5 minutes tonight, then slowly increase it to 10 or 15. Another problem might be, I get bored easily. If this happens, try a different genre of book. Explore different authors. There are so many books out there. You will find something you love. Don't give up after trying just one book. Reading before bed can also be a wonderful way to learn new things. Maybe you pick up a book about a country you want to visit, or a book about a new skill you want to learn. This way, you're not just relaxing, you're also growing your knowledge. It's a productive way to spend your last few minutes of the day. You are always learning, even as you relax. Consider keeping a small notebook next to your bed. If a really interesting idea or thought comes to you while reading, you can quickly jot it down. This way, you don't have to worry about forgetting it. You can then go back to your book without your mind still thinking about that idea. It helps you clear your head for sleep. This is a good tip for many people. So, to summarize, incorporating reading into your nightly wind-down routine can significantly improve your sleep quality and overall well-being. It's a simple, enjoyable habit with many benefits. Give it a try tonight. Pick up a physical book, find a comfortable spot, and let a calming story gently guide you to a peaceful night's sleep. You'll be glad you did. Thank you for listening to Daily English Bites.